Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos. To talk about Northwest Territory payrolls. It's also used in Nunavut payroll tax. Only these two provinces are the one that territory and the Nunavut, the only one who apply the payroll tax. So the percentage imposed on the pay as a payroll tax is 2%. On the most of the income works in this territory, Northwest and Nunavut. So if you work most of your income here, you have to pay that 2% payroll tax. But how does it work? How do you calculate? How does the calculation work? So this one is deducted at the source. So when you are making your income, it's deducted direct from your gross income. Another part is that we have to look at the incomes that actually eligible to be taxed with the payroll tax percentage. So salaries are one of them. Wages, as usual, is one of the salary taxable income that you apply that. So some allowances also qualify for that taxable payroll tax percentage, and taxable benefits, obvious, all of them has to be taxed. So there are always like taxable income and non-taxable income. So the taxable income are those that you are supposed to pay income on, pay taxes on them. Non-taxable incomes are the one that you do not need to pay income of them from them. There's some. So the next thing is that one is non-taxable income. So if you receive stuff like insurance, that benefit, stuff like that, those are non-taxable income. You do not pay tax on those. Pensions, you already work, you are retired, so if you are receiving back your pensions as your income, so why would the government want you to pay taxes on that when you had already paid taxes when you were working? So the superannuations also do not qualify for those 2% payroll tax that is applied in the Nunavut and Northwest Territory. So now we have example. If you are a hardworking person and you're working on a project that takes you 1,500 hours, this project is based in Alberta and you did it for a 6-month period of time. And the earning that you were earning there was only 48,000. The same employees, when they do the same projects in Nunavut over a period of 5 months, the projects take them 1,600 hours, for which the employees is remunerated for 52,000. So if you compare their most of the hours will work in Nunavut and not in Alberta. So this employee would be considered as someone who is making their income, most of their income in Nunavut, and therefore they will be subjected to that 2% payroll, and they will have to pay it on the income that they make in Alberta and the income that they make in Nunavut. So this is how the answer would look like. So since most of the income was earned in Nunavut, so they will tax him as a person who earned his income in Nunavut. So because that one is the case, so let's look at how it's going to work. They will add all the hours that he works for, and then add all the income that he made in both two places, and then now apply the 2% payroll tax. So now we have 3,100 hours, which is 1,500 plus 1,600. The entire earnings were 100,000 because you got 48,000 plus 52,000. When you finish that project and you earn 100,000, so you will be taxed the 2% payroll tax for 2,000. So you pay the payroll tax for 2,000. So another example, which is simple example of the person which is work in Nunavut, and this is the amount of income that they earned. So how does it work if it's not somehow complicated with all the other provinces being involved? So Mary works in the Northwest Territory and earned 1,947.50 on a bi-weekly basis. So the simple calculation would be the Northwest Territory payroll tax equal to remuneration times the annual payroll tax. So this is 1,947 and 50 cents times 0.02. So the 0.02 is the 2%. We just convert it into decimal so it can make your life easier. And from there, you will now see the answer, which will be you only pay 38,000, not thousand, 38 and 95 cents. So that would be the payroll tax that you have to pay. Okay. So, and this is the end of the video. If you understand how to calculate the annual payroll for Northwest Territory or Nunavut, and you will want to learn more about the payrolls in Canada, and then subscribe for more videos, and I will make more videos for you. See you next time.